the United States, the National School Lunch Program provides free or reduced price lunches to eligible students based on their household income. To be eligible for the program, a household must meet certain income requirements, which are determined by the federal poverty level. To apply for the National School Lunch Program, you can contact your child's school and ask for an application form. You will need to provide information about your household income, the number of people in your household, and other relevant information. The school will then determine if your child is eligible for free or reduced price lunches. Some schools also offer other programs to help families who may be struggling to pay for school meals. For example, some schools may have a fund to help cover the cost of meals for families in need, or they may partner with local organizations that provide meals for students. If you are in need of assistance, it's a good idea to reach out to your child's school to learn about the options available in your area. It's also important to note that eligibility for the National School Lunch Program can change from year to year, so it's a good idea to reapply for the program each year.